Today we are discussing about this most important Power BI interview questions with answers. The first question is that what is your day-to-day activity and how many members in our team? Are you an individual contributor or do you work on a specific portion of the report or project? So you can tell this answer like that. My day-to-day activities as a data analyst revolve entirely around analyzing the data. So you can first tell that my post is that data analyst currently. The core of my work involves understanding the client problems and identifying different solutions to address those problems through data analysis or by creating reports or dashboards. This is the first point. After that, to begin with, we collect data from the various sources. Most of the time the data we receive is an unclean format, or cleaning the data becomes a crucial step. Once the data is cleaned, we load into the Power BI environmental for further processing. So there is a get data option in the Power BI desktop. From that we can choose this data source. There is a different types of data sets. 100 plus data sources are available as per the client requirement. Where is the data stored? Suppose my data is stored in the SQL server. So that we fetch as a data source as SQL server, and after that we import data in the Power BI desktop. So after loading the data, we create relationship between the different tables, identify suitable KPIs, and build various charts and visualizations to analyze the data effectively. These visuals insights help in understanding trends and making informed decisions. You can able to tell that once the data is clean, so we need to go for a creating the relationship between the different tables. So majorly we use one to many relationships, because in one means that is one fact tables and related to many dimension tables and connection with one to many relationship. So that's it. And after that we can able to create the KPIs or we use various types of visuals and like a bar chart, donut chart, pie chart. So and we create reports based on this. Following analysis, we create detailed report and publish them to the our server. Then final step involves sharing these reports or dashboards with our client to provide them with actionable insights. So you know that once the report is created, we need to publish in the Power BI service, through the Power BI service, and we can able to give the access to the users or client peoples. So after that, our team consists of 14 members, which is relatively small. As a result, we handle the entire workflow end to end, from data collection to the report creation and client delivery. So you can tell that there is a 14 members in our team, and we work as from the end to end, from requirement gathering to the making the reports. So in addition to the Power BI, our organization also uses the tools like Tableau and ClickSense for data analysis and visualization. A few months ago, I received a training on SQL Server and MySQL, so I have a good understanding of SQL as well. You can mention this point as well. And after that, we also use Microsoft Excel for data analysis tasks. While I am not highly experienced in Excel, I do have a basic understanding of essential functions needed for our work. So you can mention this point as well into the end. So that's it for our first question answer. Moving to the next question: what are the most common DAX functions you have used in your project till date? So you can give the answer like that. I have used a variety of DAX functions in my projects, including like aggregation functions like sum, average, mean, max, count, sumx function we have used. And after that, logical and filtering function like calculate, filter function. You can mention this point as well. And time intelligence function means like total MTD, total QTD, total YTD, and dates in period, same period last year, for calculating the last year sales based on this current sales. And table functions like add columns, group by, union. And text function like upper, lower, replace. Date functions, day, month, year, calendar, calculate. This type of functions we have used. And these functions help in building dynamic dashboards. This function help in building dynamic dashboards, KPIs, and time-based analysis in Power BI. So this is the very important tax function. You can tell to about this interview, this type of answer. Like, yeah. Moving to the next third question. So in Power BI, why are the month name is not showing into the correct chronological orders like January, February, March, and how we can fix it? So you can tell this about like this answer. If your bar chart in Power BI is not showing the month in the correct order, like January, February, March, it is likely because the month names are being sorted alphabetically instead of chronologically. So here, how to fix it? First, you can tell this like here ensure you have a column with month numbers like one for January, two for February in your data. Means you can create a DAX function, or in the using the calculator columns, custom columns, you can give this DAX function like switch function true, like for January you can give able to 1, February like January to till December you can able to give this 1 2 3 4 till 12. So after that once your data is your column is created, so you can put in into the bar chart. And like I will tell you, go to the data view in a Power BI, select the month name column. In the ribbon, click onto the sort by column. Choose the month number column to sort the month names correctly. This will ensure your bar chart display month in a proper chronological order. You can able to give this like answer in the interview. So moving to the next fourth question. What is the purpose of ranks x functions in the Power BI? So yes, I have used the rank functions in Power BI, especially in scenarios where we need to assign rankings based on measures like sales, revenue, or performance. The ranks x function is commonly used in DAX to rank values across a table or a group. Rank x function can be used in both calculated column and measure. So for example, I have used it rank products based on the total sales. There is a total sales column is present based on the product. We can able to use this rank and rank regions or categories dynamically based on user selected filters. Create dynamic top n visuals by combining rankings with slices and conditional measures. Here is the example. There is an input tables, that is product sales, and into that there is a two columns are there. First is that product name and total sales. Here is a five types of categories are there, like product A, B, C, D, E, and there is a total sales present. So how we can show this output like with the ranks? So we can give this rank like descending order. Here is a we use DAX function here, like a product rank is equal to rank x, all function we used here, all product name comma total sales comma descending order. We can able to give this in the descending or ascending orders. So here we show this descending orders of this total sales, that is rank is 1 2 3 4 5. You can able to give this answer like that only. Move to the next fifth question. uh, how many types of relationships in Power BI? So you can tell this like there is a three types of relationships in Power BI: one to one, one to many, and many to many relationships. So like one to one means like one instance of entity A is related to exactly one instance of B and vice versa. So a person, example, a person can have only one social security ID. Suppose there is a one person and there is an authentic ID is that Aadhaar card or PAN card, that this is the security ID every person have, right? So this is the one-to-one relationships. And one to many relationship, like once one instance of entity A is related to many instance of entity B. Like you can give the example, a customer can place many orders. Suppose you go to the Flipkart or the Amazon e-commerce website, so you can purchase many items of any particular person, right? Suppose I am go to uh, that particular website of this e-commerce, and I can purchase many orders or many items or many orders we can say. So there is a one person can purchase many items, or they can add many orders. You can give the answer. And many to many relation means like many instance of entity A can related to many instances of entity B. Example, a product can be sold in many orders, and an order contain many products. You can give the example this one. And majorly we avoid this many to many relationship, because we can get this ambiguous result, or the performance wise it is not good, and the result is not correct accurate. So that's it. These five questions are very important. You can prepare these questions as well. So that's it. Thank you.